To the daughters of Zion, let what happened to the women of Benjamin open your eyes. I hope you will make better decisions on whom you choose for a husband. Do not conspire together with wicked men. Do not provide a safe place for criminals. All of the women of Benjamin were killed, while some of the sons of Benjamin survived after the war. In the testament of Benjamin, Benjamin said to his children that their downfall will come from the spirit of fornication. Due to this iniquity, his children shall perish. Only a few will be saved. The spirit of fornication that would plague the Benjamites is the spirit of fornication of Sodom. Benjamin said his children shall renew wanton deeds with women. Wanton means deliberate and unprovoked. Wanton is also a person who is sexually unrestrained. Benjamin said the kingdom of the Most High will not be among the Benjamites.